Hello guys, nandito kami sa Lucky Chinatown Mall. Nagpapasyal muna kami, pasyal. Yung bata oh. Lucky Chinatown Mall. Wow, what's that, Milab? Ah, picture with Lola. With Lola. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Another. Dito tayo.
Hey!
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Where's mommy? Here. Okay. Oh, you like it? You like it? Another solo picture on you. You go there. You go there. You go there. It's a hat. It's a Santa hat. It's a Santa hat. Guys, na-amaze siya, oh. Yan, guys. Na-amaze si Nathan. Ano dito? Uncle Fish Balls. You want to eat fish ball? You want to eat fish ball? You can't like it, ata. Ayan, mga fish balls. Pwede, oh, dito. Or doon, pwede dito. Come on, Nathan, pwede doon. Para diretso doon. Tara. Come on, Nathan. Go there. Hold, Lolo. Gusto niya hold kay Lolo. Maulot pa. Masakit pa yung paa niya dyan? Mamaya, magstay lang siya sa coffee shop po. Lucky Chinatown Mall. Here. Diretso, go. Push. Say hello, officer. Ito te, yung ano. Yan yung binigay ko sa inyo, 'di ba? Tanda mo? 'Di ba? May model pa sila. Yan yung binigay ko. Hindi, ito. Dream Cloud. May model pa sila. Bagan Nathan. Magpipapicture siya. Pa-picture siya doon. Sige, go ahead. Stay in the middle, me love. Stay in the middle. Mommy will take a picture. And Lola also. Oh, Lola. Say Lola. Lola, take off your mask. Say Lola, take off your mask. Hold Lolo. The picture muna. Para may remembrance si Lola and Lolo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Papa, tingin dito pa. Okay, very good. Na ano pa siya. No. Patsi. Oh, iba yung posing niya. Here. Here daw, here. Why? Fishball. La. Maganda siya dito. Mag-nice yung ambience. La. More than yesterday. This life is a constant change. Yan pa sila Lolo and Lola Castro. Mabagal sila maglakad. Pero tong Nathan na to, ang bilis-bilis. Here. No. Ah? You will show to Lolo. What will you show to Lolo? Dragon. Dragon daw ko no. Kakausa ko dira. You will show Lolo a dragon. Oh no, wala na. Wala na dito yung yung discounted. Dito lang yun sa gitna, di ba? Wala na yung discounted. Oh, you stay there. Oh, Lola and Lolo. Stay there with Lola and Lolo. Stay there. Oh, be careful. There. Yan, with Lola and Lolo. Okay, dito muna guys. 1, 2, 3. Another 1, 2, 3. With Lolo again. With Lolo. With Lolo. With Lolo. Call Lolo. Call Grandpa. Wait. Wait. Picture pa. You call Grandpa. Picture pa. Stand up. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. Another. Oh, wait lang. There's a, bata. 1, 2, 3. Look at me. Look at mommy. Look at mommy, Nathan. Okay. Done already. You want to sit there with Lolo and Lola? Sit there. Oh, you pila. You fall in line. Fall in line. Fall in line. Yes, fall in line. Fall in line. Fall in line. Fall in line sila guys. Dito kami sa Lucky Mall. So, dito muna guys. Bye!